Here are 5 essential steps you should take as a pro designer before you hand off your UI design project to the developer. Let's dive in. Number 1. Check your colors. Before you deliver your project, make sure you have a style guide in place and that you use the colors consistently. There are times when you use 2 different colors for an element, but the difference is so subtle that you cannot recognize it. That's a common problem among junior designers who don't use a style guide at all. Number 2, accessibility test. When it comes to colors, you should never trust your eyes. Just because you can read a text easily doesn't mean that everyone else can too. Make sure to check the contrast ratio of your colors using a contrast ratio checker. If you use Figma, the contrast plugin is an excellent choice in my opinion. But here is a bonus point. You don't need to check the contrast ratio of your decorative elements because even if a small group of people cannot see them properly, it's not gonna affect their overall user experience and they can still use the product conveniently. Number 3, check the unity of your project. This is something that many designers forget to pay attention to. Ask yourself, does the UI feel unified or does it look like different parts of the project belong to different designs? When it comes to unity of your project, consistency plays an important role. So you need to make sure that all your elements are designed consistently in terms of styling, colors, size, etc. Sometimes you may use different libraries and resources to design a project, and when you do, it can become difficult to create a user interface that is cohesive and unified. Let me give you an example. Suppose you're looking for icons for your next project, and you take one icon from one library and the other one from another. When you put them together, something doesn't feel right. That's because 2 different designers with 2 totally different styles designed them. So take the time to ensure every element of your UI design is harmonious and goes well with the overall look of the project. Number 4, check your layers names. If you're like me and you forget to rename your layers while you're working on a project, make sure to rename them properly before you hand off the project to the developers. Because if you don't, it will be like a nightmare for them and they'll pull their hair out. If you use Figma, you can use a shortcut to rename your layers in seconds. Select the layers you want to rename and hit Ctrl R or Command R. And here you can type, for instance, card, and then click on this number button to insert a number into your layers names in ascending order. Hit rename and you're done. Number 5. Create a design system. UI design audits are useless if you don't have a design system in place. Design systems are the best way to make sure that all UI elements on your project look and feel consistent, and they can save you so much time when you go through a revision or iteration process. Moreover, you need to make sure to include all the states of your UI elements like hover, default, pressed, etc. Some designers think that the developer can magically create the other states of the UI elements, but that's not how it works. You need to make it clear to the developer how your elements should behave in every scenario. If you want to level up your UI design skills, you might also want to check out this video on the screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Have an awesome day and see you next time.